It is now 4 p.m. on January 11th, Beijing time. Yesterday's video suggested short selling in USD above 1.0987. After it was issued, the exchange rate rose to a maximum of 1.0989 at 2:30 p.m. today. Some short orders reached the entry point. Usually, our intraday orders are only reserved until noon the next day. However, Laudan has reminded those who have entered at 1.0965 to leave the market with a small profit and make today's new point. Then there is gold. Yesterday's video recommended short selling above 2047. The highest price after it was issued was 2039.7, which was $7.3 shy of the entry point. It fell to 2020.4 in advance, with a cumulative decline of 193 points. Signals are that in the right direction but have no chance to enter are not included in the transaction auto statistics chart. The focus this week is on the US CPI data at 9:30 tonight. So, in recent days, we can see that the participation of mainstream products has been very cautious. The market is highly convinced of the Federal Reserve's stance on cutting interest rates in March, but after last week's non-farm payrolls were slightly revised. If the inflation data released tonight picks up, the market will be caught off guard. The prices of non-US currencies and gold are currently on the higher side. After the data is released, they are bound to break through the shock range of each indicator. In the market from Monday to Thursday this week, intraday operation opportunities are limited, and the market with narrow range fluctuations will be more suitable for small band and EA-programmed trading. In addition to intraday orders, Laudan's main account and managed accounts also have manual market execution orders and EA-programmed orders that are constantly making money. The annualized rate has exceeded 76% for the first consecutive year. Especially the annualized rate in 2023 has reached 136.77%, which is an average monthly return rate of 11.4%. During the Spring Festival, our traders will continue to trade as usual as long as the market is not closed as in previous years. We have also launched a special promotion, a discount. Anyone who consults and cooperates before January 15th will be free of escrow fees. Only profit sharing, and it is not limited to platforms. If concerned and interested, you can inquire about cooperation details through the contact information at the top of the screen or ask me for the observation password of the main account. The ignition capital for escrow ranges from $5,000 to $300,000. Observe what suits you and then choose a cooperation method as needed. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. It continued to fluctuate around 1.0900 to 1.1000 this week, and the trend significantly converged. The United States released CPI data at 9:30 tonight, which is bound to break the multiple-day shock range. The specific direction will not be clear until the actual data is released. Overseas institutions have now observed that inflation in Europe is rising, and the United States is not doing so well either. Due to energy, rising food, and wage issues have caused inflation to rebound. So the Fed's interest rate cut expectations have been pushed from March to April-May. The US index has received support in the short term. It is recommended to sell short in USD at 1.1025 to 1.1090 during the day, with stop loss at 1.1100. Gold is also consolidating in the 2020 to 2040 range this week. The probability of continuing to maintain narrow fluctuations before the data is high. Before the data comes out, focus on the resistance of 2050 and 2060 above, and the support of 2018 and 1999 below. It is recommended to go long below 2017 to 2004 during the day, with stop loss at 2002. In addition to European gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. but it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lauda will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate sell tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Thoreau.